to Camus World! Hi everyone, I received a package from Oulac Paris Cosmetics. I want to say thank you to Silvia for sending me the new shades from the Metallic Shine Lipstick collection. Let's start with the first color, which is number 18, Celebration. I want us to swatch these three colors first on my hands, and later on I'll show you how it looks like on my lips. Discover Oulac's Metallic Shine Lipstick, which is high pigmented, dual effect lipstick offering shimmer and metallic finishes. Next shade is number 19, Persimmons. These lipsticks are infused with vitamin E and castor oil for a moisturizing feel. The lipstick comes in a luxury package with a mirror and magnetic lid. The last but not the least is the number 22, Virtual Violet. These lipsticks are vegan friendly and PETA approved. The brand also offers cosmetic products of uncompromised quality that make every woman look and feel herself. It has optimum quality pigment and long-lasting intense color. Now let me show you how it looks on the lips. Excuse my bare face. So let's first try the number 18, which is Celebration. The next shade is number 19, Persimmons. The last but not the least is number 22, Virtual Violet. This is probably my most favorite among the three shades. And that's it. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description, my discount code, as well as the website. Let me know in the comment if ever you've tried this brand. Let me know what do you think of it. Until next time, bye.